Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain one more example of type conversion. Say char a equal to capital A, integer b equal to A, system dot out dot println b. Here A is a character type, B is a integer type. Here A assigned to B, that means character assigned to integer. This conversion is called character to integer. It is called as widening conversion. It comes under 19 conversions. These conversions are done by system implicitly. These conversions are always valid. See, the following 19 conversions are done by system implicitly. These conversions are called widening conversions. Say character to integer comes under 19 conversions. These are called widening conversions. These all done by system implicitly. 23 conversions are called narrowing conversions. And these conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Boolean type cannot be converted to other types, and other types cannot be converted to Boolean type. These 14 conversions are not possible. About this, in previous video I explained. If you watch this, you will get a more clarity. Now I will show you in a programming. Char a equal to capital A, int b equal to A, system dot out dot println b. If I save, compile and run, you will get output 65, because capital A ASCII code is 65. We are printing B nothing but integer format. That's what output comes 65. Say capital A, that ASCII code is 65. Capital B ASCII code is 66. Like that, capital Z ASCII code is 90. Small a ASCII code is 97. Small b ASCII code is 98. Like that, small z ASCII code 122. 0 ASCII code 48. 1 ASCII code 49. Like that, up to 9 ASCII code 57. So here we are printing B nothing but integer type, but we assign A nothing but character. So capital A nothing but 65. That's what output comes 65. Now file, save. Compilation javac demo.java, successfully compiled. Java demo successfully executed. We got a output 65. Now this one I'll write in a reverse. Integer a equal to 65, character b equal to A. If I write A is integer type, B is character type. Here A assigned to B, that means integer assigned to character. This conversion is called This conversion is called integer to char. Integer to char comes under 23 conversions. These conversions must be done by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error occurs. This is narrowing conversion. This is error comes. See, integer to character, it is comes under 23 conversions. These conversions must be done by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error occurs. These conversions are called narrowing conversions. Okay, I'll show in a program. Integer a equal to 65, character b equal to a, file, save, compilation, error. See, incompatible types. This error we can solve. How to solve? See, just in the brackets you have to write char. It is called explicit type conversion. It is called explicit type conversion. We can also call typecasting. We can also call typecasting. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly, then only valid. Now it is valid. I'll show in a program. In the brackets I am writing char. I'll save, file, save. I'll compile, successfully compiled, executed, successfully executed. We got output A, because 65 nothing but A. For getting more information, you visit my blog Java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com. This is my blog. Check this blog for getting more information.